How to view a list of voice access commands on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Accessibility. After click on Accessibility, click on Interaction and Dexterity. After click on Interaction and Dexterity, click on Voice Access. After click on Voice Access, scroll down and click on Settings. Now in Voice Access settings, click on Voice Access command. If you want to view list of voice access command, you will see voice access command list is here. So you will see from here magnification, text ending, grid action, gestures. After watching, go back to home screen. So that's how you can view list of voice access commands on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.